now that we're trying to extend our student learning through Schoology while we're working remotely, we just want to start thinking a little bit differently about how we use our Schoology courses. So now that the students are going to be using these courses like typically in a remote setting now, we have to be more thoughtful in how we give directions and how we get kids into the spot where we want them to do the work. And one of the ways that we can do this is through an agenda that you can put on your course page. So right now I have on my course, there's a page here where we're having you guys use this to kind of see what you need to do for the day. So as you can see right now, there's just like a welcome message. There's a table with what's kind of going on each day. And essentially what this is this is a page, and there's a specific setting for the page. So to add the page to this course, essentially what we did is we just added page and then filled in all the content for it. So what I'm going to do is just dive into the settings here really quick so you can see what we have so far, and then we'll kind of go into how we can link it and make it easy for you guys to find what you need during your training this week. So if I click on the little gearbox, it's going to allow me to click edit. And so essentially what this is, it's just a regular team. Like I said, you can see all of the different things that you're going to be doing this week. In this case, we just created a table that has everything in there that we'll be doing. And this would be kind of like your guide for the week. So we were thinking that we could use this as a kind of a model that you could use with your students. And then what's kind of cool with this is this is kind of a work in progress at this point, but we can actually make it even easier for you guys, or you can make it easier for your students. What I like to do is I like to have my Schoology course open in a separate tab. So I actually have it open twice. So I'm going to jump over to the side that I don't have anything edited right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into, in this case, we have it split up kind of like by like modules. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go into this module 1, and I'm going to just copy the link that I have here. And then I'm going to jump over into my tab where I'm editing this agenda. And if I can just make myself just highlight one, I'm going to just insert this link here. And then what's nice about this now is I have module 1 linked, so you as teachers, like when you first go into this course, all you have to do is click that link and it'll put you at the exact spot that you want to go. So by the time you guys are actually going into the course, all of these modules will be linked the way that they're supposed to be, and it would just be an easier way for you to go ahead and do that. And most of the time, your pages are set that you have to physically click on the link to open the page. But if you can remember, in this case, and I'll jump over to the my other tab where I have this open, this is just showing right when you go into the course. So just to show you how to make it, they call this an inline page. So just to show you how to do this, if you go down, like when you're going through setting up your course, there's this little button. It looks like a little piece of paper with the letters ABC on it. When I hover over this, like it looks like more bold than it typically does and what you'll probably see. So right now when I hover over it, it's saying display inline. If I click on that, it kind of gets grayed out, and now it says display on new page. So that would mean you'd have to click on it to be able to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and reset this to display inline, and that's essentially how we are able to get that page to be in line there. I'll save changes, and I will just, now I got a link there, and then when I click it, it'll go right to the spot where we have some stuff going on.